Hey there! Welcome to Max a Minute. Today, we're learning about do and make. Oh, I made a mess. Ooh, blueberry.
Right. Okay, class. We say do the cooking, but make breakfast. Do you know why? Do you? Do you? Yes, Chad?
Because it's delicious.
Seriously, Chad? It's delicious?
Pow!
Bro, what was that for?
Oh, Chad. Anyway, let's look at more examples.
Come on, Greg. Let's do some exercise.
Exercise? Nah, I can't do exercise. I'm too tired.
Don't make excuses. You can do it. Come on, let's go. Lift those legs. Woo!
I cannot do it.
Jessica, breakfast's ready.
Jessica!
What? I'm doing my hair.
Yes, Jessica. You do your hair. I do the dishes. I do the laundry. I do the house chores. And I make you breakfast too.
Is he doing homework? No, he's making a list. He's doing a good job.
Finally, tea time.
Hey, can you do me a favor?
What now? What do you want?
Can you make a call? Call my boss and tell him I'm sick.
Okay, fine. But what's the matter with you? Do you have a cold? Oh, hello?
Thank you. You made my day.
You made my day. Wait a minute. What does that mean?
You made my day means you did something for me, and now I'm happy.
And now, quick tips. Let's break it down. Do a job. Do sports. Do chores. Make food. And make just about anything else. It's quiz time. Are you ready? Do or make? That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right.
And now for the super tip. You can't use an ing verb after make. You can't say make cooking. You say do the cooking and make breakfast. Make a cake. Easy trick.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's it for today. See you next time.